Forgotten username recovery failed on Capital One fix. You try to log into your Capital One account, but when you click Forgot Username, the recovery just doesn't work. Maybe you never get the email, or the system says your details don't match. Frustrating, right? But here's the surprising truth: most Capital One recovery issues happen because of one small mistake, using the wrong email or phone number linked to your account. Let's go step by step to fix it. First, head to the Capital One sign-in page and click Forgot Username. Enter your last name, date of birth, and social security number. Be sure these details match exactly as they appear on your account. Even one wrong digit can stop the system from finding your information. If Capital One still can't locate your username, try another email address or phone number. Many people forget they might have registered years ago with a different contact. Check all your inboxes for old Capital One emails like account setup or payment confirmation. The email that received those messages is the one tied to your account. Next, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes recovery messages are filtered out by your email provider. If nothing shows up, wait 15 minutes and try again. Still stuck? Contact Capital One support. You can call them at 1-877-383-4802 or use the Contact Us section in the mobile app. Have your personal information ready for verification. Once confirmed, they can help you recover your username or reset your access securely. The bottom line: when recovery fails on Capital One, it's usually a mismatch in personal details, not a system error. Double check your info, try alternate emails, and reach out to support if needed. Within minutes, you'll be back in control of your account.